najčasnije podnositi u duši udarce
Da li je čast mirno trpjeti udarce
uzeti oružje
sudbine ili dići oružje na skončenu zla i jada te se oprijeti i skončati ih, umrijeti, ustati i ništa više. I tako spavajući zaboraviti svu tu
i tisućama udaraca što baš tijelo.
Udaraca što baš ih tijelo.
To je kraj da svime srcem želiš.
Eto, to je kraj da od srca ne želiš. Umrijeti, spavati.
Možda sanjati. No to je
svijet.
Kakvi su to snovi u tom
That is the question. Whether it is nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against a sea of troubles and by opposing and by a sleep to say we end the heartache and the thousand natural shocks that slip there. 'Tis a consummation devoutly to be wished to die.
Sporost pravde, kad bi sam mogao sve riješiti tek jednim jedinim ubodom.
Teret snosio i gunđao u znoju po tegobnim životima. Da nema straha
Prije smrti.
Frailty,
Putovanja
thy name is woman. A little man, what are those shoes were old with which he followed my poor father's body like Niobe, all tears. Why she, even she, oh God, a beast that once discourse of reason would have mourned longer. Married to my uncle, my father's brother, but no more like my father than I, who had within a month, ere yet the salt of most unrighteous tears had left the flashing in her galled eyes. He married. Oh, most wicked speed to boast with such dexterity to incestuous sheets.